Hello, my name is Carolina Lautero. This is my ID card. Here I'm going to present the speaking assignment. This is about the wonders of the world. In this case, my favorite wonder is the Taj Mahal. This is a man-made wonder. The Taj Mahal is located in Asia, in the city of Agra. The building started in 1631 and finished in 1652. First, I'm going to talk you about the history of the Taj Mahal. The story tells us that the Persian princess Mumtaz Mahal died giving birth to their 14th son, but before that she died, she asked to her husband, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, that build for her the tomb. So after the Princess Mumtaz Mahal died, after some months, the Mughal Emperor started the build. So although this looks like a temple, it is indeed a mausoleum. Now about the building. The building is 55 meters long and it has the same long in each one of the four faces. The main building and the more impressionant in the mausoleum is the dome. So the base of the dome is 35 meters height, and the dome also have 35 meters long height. So both has approximately a height of 70 meters. Around the construction we can find 4 towers. These towers are named minarets, and each tower has a height of 14 meters. All the building of the Taj Mahal is inside a garden, and the garden has a long of 300 meters square. Now, some details about the construction inside and outside. The first of them is 2 false sarcophagi. There we represent the tombs of the princess Mumtaz and her husband Shah Jahan. The first construction only has the sarcophagi of the princess, but the son of the emperor also put next to the sarcophagi of the princess the sarcophagi of his father, but both sarcophagi are false. In a lower level we can find the real tombs of the Mughal Emperor and the princess. Some details about the decorative elements are divided in 3 main categories. One is calligraphic inscriptions with Persian poems and some parts of the Quran. The second decorative element is abstract geometry. These elements are located mainly on the dome but inside the mausoleum. The third element is plant motifs, we can sew these elements also in the false sarcophagi. One important element is that in the Islam is forbidden to put human shapes in this kind of temples so that's the reason why we can't find any human shape in these elements, but we can find calligraphic inscriptions. Well, some recommendations if you want to visit the Taj Mahal. It is open from 6 a.m. until 7 p.m. in weekdays, but only from Monday to Thursday, because on Friday is only open for prayers, because next to the Taj Mahal we can find a mosque, and there are a place where prayers go. Another recommendation is to take in account the fee. The fee for the entrance to the Taj Mahal is 1,100 Indian rupees. This is equal to $16. About the weather. In Agra, that is a city in India, we can find the summer season between May and July. So it's the hottest season. So there isn't a season to go. But if you want to go in a cooler season, is better to visit the Taj Mahal in months like October, November and February. Another special holiday that celebrates in India is the Ramadan. The Ramadan is in between April and May, and the Ramadan takes 1 month. So in this month only allow the visit for prayers and Indian citizens, so you can't visit the Taj Mahal during the Ramadan. Another recommendation is wear fresh clothes, because although you visit on the winter season, in the city is very hot, so the recommendation is wear fresh clothes, especially clothes made in cotton. Another special recommendation is that the parking area is approximately 600 meters far from the Taj Mahal, so you are going to walk a long way. Or if you don't want in a car, you can arrive by electric bus, but also the bus stop is far from the entrance in the Taj Mahal. So that's the story that I want to talk to you, and thank you.